What's up, YouTube? I'm just going to show you how to replace a light fixture, and especially a blinky light fixture like this one. It's an LED light, it's new, it's blinky, so I'm going to replace it. So safety first you got to go into the garage or your basement or wherever, and you got to shut off the breaker. Some guys will do it just by shutting off the light switch. But I would always suggest shutting off the breaker. So yeah, we'll go do that right now. So once you found your shitty old circuit breaker box, you will shut off the breaker for that circuit. If you don't know, you can have somebody inside while the light's on. You can go through the breakers and they'll yell and tell you when you got it, or you can put a circuit tester at a wire or a plug that's off that circuit. You'll hear it beeping, and then when you shut off the breaker, the beeping will stop. But anyway, I know exactly which breaker it is, so I will be shutting off the breaker for the it's on the basement light circuit. So basement lights, boom, that's the one. So this light is kind of weird. It's held in by a Phillips screw, which is the star to some. To others, we call it the Phillips. I don't know why. I guess Philip invented it. I have no idea. Maybe leave a comment below. But I'm going to remove those screws. The light will fall. And yes, I have the breaker back on for now. So that's why the light is on. Normally it'd be off. So I'll remove those screws, and then I'll show you the wiring. So YouTube, very simple. The wiring, you have the black that's hot, you have the white that's a neutral, then you have the ground wire. So there's 3 wires coming in this. It's a standard 120 volt wire connection. But yeah, you can see the power is on. Because I'm crazy, I don't give a fuck. But at this point I will shut it off to take the wires off. So let's do a little unboxing. This is the new light that I got here, an LED from Home Depot. It was taped shut, but I did notice that it was open before, so I'll probably be missing a bunch of stuff and have to return it, take it back, but you know, it's fucking way she goes right there. Got some instructions, you know. Don't need those really. Ta-da! So the previous light was IKEA. And it was blinky. It's no good. This one's Home Depot. Screws off. Over 10 years. This hole I'm in is a construction project extraordinaire. This is one of the many projects on the go. Never-ending projects. Whoops. There's that. And there's the wires. Okay, so this is the back cover. That's the back cover. This will be the top. It's got little holes in there, which actually go into these holes here on top of the light. These are the screws for the holes. There's the wiring. Got your hot, got your neutral, got your ground, some bags, some hardware. So I'm going to mount that up. You're looking at it. Those are Phillips screws or star head as some. So I'm going to mount this on, and I'll come back and we'll take it from there. Here's the back bracket mounted on there. It's pretty standard. So it's a different shape, it's smaller, but it's pretty standard. That kit didn't have these screws in there. I had to go into my spare screw pile these little machine screws. Another issue I'm having is this plate isn't sitting flush on the back. There's no gap there. There's a gap there, so we're gonna see how it goes. And also those holes hopefully will cover, but I probably won't, so I'll have to fill those in later. I'll wire it up, put it on, and see how it fits. Okay, all the light's on there, so I've turned the breaker back on. So we'll try it out here. Okay, it works. Oh, it's nice and bright. Looks good. Throw the level on. And that's that. So I can get to see you, show you more. I'm getting a tripod so I can record my hands. But yeah, worked pretty good. It's the light nice and bright. Thanks YouTube.